And this one looks so bad. We just got a package. We just got a package. Wonder who it's from. Oops, that's my address. Alright, that's better. Alright, I don't have a knife, so I'm gonna have to... Oh, that's not a knife. Alright, let's try that again. That's not a knife. What? You know what? It'll work. Wait. What the heck? Ah, there we go. That's what I needed. Alright, it's dark out. So I can't really... Oh, the box is upside down. But it's dark out, as you can see. So I can't really install this. From the video, you probably can... Frick me, man. Very important. Oh. Once again, gotta blur out this stuff. Just in case. What's this? This is exactly what I ordered. Forget the box. This is what I needed. Oh, yeah. Nope. See, this very strong material is exactly why I ordered. I'm kidding, guys. You know I'm not talking about that. All right. What is this? What is this? How do you? Is this? No. Maybe it's from here. Got it. From this side. And then you pull it down. What the heck? Did they damage my package? Oh my god. Beautiful. Oh. 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 Come on. Okay. Maybe it's not how it goes. This looks a little bigger than it's supposed to be. I don't know why. But, oh yeah, the alternator looks all clean and new. It's very much needed by the car. And look. I don't know. There's no play in it. Like, this is some nice material. What is that? What the yo! Okay. But look at, oh yeah, this is, feels so quality in the hand. Oh, is it already dirty? That's whatever. It's so nice. Well, we're gonna be installing this into the car. What is that? I don't know, but it looks nice. So you guys just seen the video of me modding my car. So basically what's been done to the car is that I've changed the wheels and tires, got tints done, still need to do the front one. Cause that one, it just looks weird without front tint. I also got front coilovers. Coilovers I bought, the rears, they were missing some hardware. So I didn't have the rear coilover, so the back suspension is still kind of wobbly. That's pretty much it. So I got front coilovers, as you guys can see in the front. I don't know, in the videos or pictures you can see it's lowered in the front, but then I got monster truck suspension in the rears. It's just weird. But soon I'll buy a full complete set, because I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace. It's kind of shady. I like it. It's just, you gotta look better. Like, you gotta make sure to inspect some things, okay? So, it didn't have the top hat to the coilover, so I wasn't able to put that on. But we got the fronts. You know, nice and little stancy boys. I just need spacers and maybe some camber plates at the top to have the super stancy boy status. fitment. I think that's it. It's fitment, right? But so all I need, front tints, rear suspension, and then we're good with how it looks on the outside. Actually paint, but I don't really too much care about paint. It just looks so nice with the front tints and the back suspension. Just, you know, dropped a bit down in the back. And also the headlights and tail lights. I actually got some. I don't have any, but I'm planning to get some nice, decent looking headlights, ones with like a little strip around the bottom and side. It just looks nice, you know. And then sequential tail lights. I don't know if anyone knows or doesn't know what that is. It's basically like, if you ever seen a Mustang like signal light, it goes on dun 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 dun, and if they're turning this way, dun 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 dun. It just looks awesome. I don't know if I can have like a video up or something, but if not, then you got my explanation. That's all you need. All right, that's it. But basically, the car has gone through a transformation. Maybe I can show in a before and after picture. I'll show one anyway. Here we go. All right, that was lit, right? Before and after. It looks better now, right? I just need front tint, and then it looks super fire. And then lowered in the back. Oh my god. Headlights, tail lights, and we done. But I actually got a list of what I want to do to the car. Number one, performance-wise, I mean, I already have coil. That's performance suspension. But I want a cold air intake. And that's pretty much all I need. After that, just a twin turbo kit. Maybe like a new throttle body. Fuel pump. Oh yeah, I should add that to my list. I don't have that on my list. But fuel pump, lines, all of that, instead of the weird little rubbery or plastic things. Like, it'd just be cool to have, you know, nice, strong material to hold things. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm planning with the car. Twin turbo kit coming soon. Like, I want a good one, but then again, it's like I don't have the moolah to get the twin turbo kit, so it's coming up though. I'll definitely get one though. I'll definitely get one, because I see I've seen some twin turbo Mustang SN95 builds, and the only good decent one I'm seeing so far that, you know, someone's actually covering is Poe. I don't know if you guys know Poe. Not, most likely not, but he's gonna build that real nice. It's already, he already gutted it out. Everything's gone. Passenger, rear seats, trunk, dash, like most of the dash is gone. AC weight reduction to the max. I'm not gonna do all of that. I want to keep my street car Mustang, you know. This is a whole new day. Sorry for the interruption. I forgot to record like afterwards. I got so busy. But like I was saying before, I want to keep my car, you know, street car-ish interior, nice little race car mods. So I already said this. Did I already say I have coilovers, wheels, tints? I mean, tints aren't really race cars. It's just, you know, to keep heat. I don't know. I just like the look of tints. I don't want people looking in my car, okay? Well, it doesn't mind. It's just, it's not that I don't want people looking in my car. It's just, I like tints, okay? That's it. And then front coilovers, rear coilovers, I have to buy a whole new set because the rear ones they don't have like the top piece. I think I already said that. I'm not sure. But once that's over with, cold air intake, I already said that. I have a list. I feel like I talked about everything. And I think that's pretty much it. But guys, make sure to stay tuned on the channel. Keep out for car stuff. I don't know about gaming. I've just been so busy. But I have time to put up a camera and record. You know, that's easy. But stay tuned. Watch out for the sting. And that's pretty much it. Peace. Make sure to keep it real.